Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you are new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. I'd love if you'd hit that subscribe button before leaving and give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. So today's makeup series is all about a continuation of my mascara madness. The last one I did was a drugstore one, so now I'm going back to high-end. I kind of go back and forth between doing drugstore and high-end, looking for which mascara products are great that you should try and which ones you should save your money on. I already have my makeup already done since we're focusing just on the mascara. So if you're curious what I'm wearing, I will link it all down below. So today's video is going to be comparing one of Lancome's really popular mascaras to one of Estee Lauder's really popular mascaras. I'm going to do Lancome on this side and Estee Lauder on this side and see how they compare and even if they are worth your money. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is curl my lashes. That's something that I always do no matter if I'm using drugstore or high-end mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to keep it where it's always the same whenever I'm testing these out. Okay, so the first one I'm going to use is the Lancome. To be honest with you, I used this one years ago. I don't really remember it giving me really thick, full lashes. This is what the bristle looks like, but I do remember it separating them really nicely, but it's been a while. I do like how black my eyelashes are looking. They definitely elongated them. You can see it separated. I don't feel like it's giving a lot of fullness, but it's definitely looking like I added quite a bit of length to my eyelashes. Okay, one of my eyelashes is not wanting to play nicely for this video, but look how much length it did add. So it did do a good job. I would say that it's a good color, but it's not really full. It just looks long and separated. So if that's the kind of look you're going for, that's what that one does. On this side, I'm going to put the Estee Lauder one that a lot of people love and see how it compares. This bristle looks a lot different. It looks kind of spooky, kind of scares me on one of the ends. All right, let's go ahead and see how this one does. Well, I have to say they kind of perform almost exactly the same. For the hype on this one, I was kind of expecting it to be more full, so I'm actually really surprised. This is not at all what I was expecting. It looks almost exactly like Lancome. It doesn't look any fuller. It just looks like it elongated my lashes just like the other one did. It separated it out. Really nice. So it almost looks like, you know, like when I've never had lash extensions or anything like that, or fake lashes, but that's kind of what it looks like. It kind of looks like I have fake lashes on. It looks pretty, it's elongated, it's separated, but neither one of them, if you look to me, really give a fullness. Okay, so this side is Lancome, and this side is Estee Lauder. They look almost identical to me. The Lancome one actually, because of this couple of hairs right here, actually gets a little bit more length than this side, but not by much. They look, I mean, if I put this on my eyes like this, I really couldn't tell a difference between the two. But I do have to say, I think the Lancome actually made it just a tad bit longer. Do you guys agree? Tell me down in the box below, but this one looks like it's outbeating it by just a tad. So that's my final thoughts. To me, I know a lot of people love these mascaras, but for the price that they are, I think you could probably find a drugstore one that would probably separate and elongate just as this does. This does not fit the bill of what I'd be looking for in a mascara because I like it to be elongated, I like it to be separated, but I also like it to look really full. So I kind of want the whole package. And this to me does not give all of that. So that's what my opinion is on this, and that is Lancome and Estee Lauder. If you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up so that I keep on doing Mascara Madness. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.